When Photoshop has been set up with Flix, you'll see this panel. These tools offer various ways of interacting with Flix. Most of the time you'll be sending images to build up a sequence in Flix. Also, the production can view the changes whilst you keep working. Let's start with a blank template. You can see this has been set up to the aspect ratio of the show. In this case, my show is in 2.39:1 aspect ratio, but if you're working on a television show, you're more likely working in 16:9 or 1.77:1. So let's just make an opening frame so you can see how this works with Flix. Let's say the opening shot is a close-up of someone with a bruise like this. Once I'm done, I click Current Image, and because Flix is open in the background, that panel appears in my edit. Let's say the second image uses the same framing but is a simple variation where the character closes their eyes, for example. I can just do that change on a new layer. Click Current Image again, and what that does is it adds it straight after whichever panel is currently selected. I'll give you a more complex example here, as you might be working on a pre-existing sequence. Let's say notes have come back from your director that this bird needs to be a bit bigger in the frame. I've opened up the PSD file here with all the layers intact. So I can just go in there, make that small adjustment, and save it. And it updates the selected panel immediately. It's non-destructive too, so you can always change your mind. Just click on the panel ID, and all the versions are there, so you can always go back to a previous iteration. Let's say you want to send a quick 9-panel series of thumbnails to Flix, maybe a new idea for a story beat. Start by clicking New Thumbnails, and you can quickly make your sequence. Then click Send Thumbnails, and Flix will insert those images as separate panels in a sequence after the selected panel. In the next lesson, we'll go over some more of the UI, specifically the panel browser. Thanks for watching.